Bhavika. We will sing over for 2 days on 1st and 2nd of July, isn't it?
Yes.
Alright. Your room is ready and this is your card, key card. And it's 5:55 and time is at 12 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, the air condition is not working.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, I'll contact the engineering right away to fix it now.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. In what room are you staying?
555.
Alright. Oh, it's Miss Rakita, isn't it? Let me prepare your bill. Would you like to receive it by email?
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And we hope to welcome you again.
Thank you.